Good morning, children. We will continue with chapter number 10 of science, light, sound and force. We have learned about light, sources of light, yes, luminous, non-luminous, artificial, natural. We have learned about sound, pleasant and unpleasant sound. Today we will learn about force. What is force? Now, I'll show you one quick experiment, one quick activity. Just notice what I am doing. Okay? Now look here. What am I doing? To open this drawer, I am pulling it, and to close it, I will push it. Yes? See again. If I want to open it, I will pull it. And if I want to close it, I will push it. So, what have I done? I have applied force. I applied force from my hands and I pulled it. It has opened. And if I want to close it, I will push it. That means it will close. If I want to pick this up, I will pull this towards myself. If I want to keep it down, I will push it and keep it. So this push and pull, which makes an object move, is called as force. Yes, the push or a pull applied on an object is called as force. Yes, so I am applying force. We all apply force whenever we do any work. We all apply force. Yes, we either push something or we pull something when we lift up, when we keep it down, when we move, when we do any work. Every time we apply force. Now, there are some effects of force. Now, force can actually make a lot of changes. First of all, force can move an object. It can move an object. Like suppose I have a ball over here. Okay, I have a ball in my hand. Now I apply little force and this ball will start moving. It has started moving. I applied little push on the ball and it started moving. Now it can slow down the object. How? See, a ball is coming to my side. I will apply little force and it will slow down. Yes, so the object is actually slowing down if I apply any force. Next is, it will speed up also. It can speed up also. How? See, I applied little force, it's moving. But if I apply more force, what has happened? The speed has increased. Yes, so when the speed has increased, that means it can speed up a moving object or an object. Next, it can stop also a moving object. Like suppose this ball is coming from here. Okay, now if I apply little force, what has happened? The ball has stopped. That means the force can stop the motion of a moving object. Yes, and it can also change the direction of the moving object. How? See, the ball is going this way and I apply little force and I turn the direction of the ball. See, by applying little force, I am changing the direction of the ball. Yes or no? So I hope with this small experiments, this topic is actually clear to you that a force can move an object, it can slow down an object, it can speed up an object, it can stop an object, and it can change the direction of an object. And it can even change the shape of the object. How? I'll show. What is this? This is a foam duster. This is solid, yes. But if I apply little force, what will happen? The shape of the foam will change. I have applied little force from both the sides. I am pushing this. So now the shape of the foam is different. But if I release the force, what will happen? The object will come back into its original shape. Okay? It will come back to its original shape. If I squeeze it this way, that means again you can see the shape of the object has changed. But if I release the force, it has again regained its shape. So force can move an object, it can slow down an object, it can speed up an object, it can stop an object, it can change the direction as well as shape of an object. So I hope this topic force is clear to you all. Okay, now at the same time a force can work with so many people and in so many different things. It can do so many different things. Like here in this image, you can see Now, Rehan is throwing the ball. That means he is pushing the ball using force. And Akash hits the ball. He is also making a push. He is also hitting the ball and changes the direction of the moving ball. He has thrown a ball in one direction. Akash has hit the ball and then changed the ball of that, change the direction of that moving ball. The ball flies and moves towards Riya. Okay, and now what does Riya do? She catches the ball. She quickly pushes her body and then she catches the ball. She stops the movement of the ball. So at the same time, Rehan is pushing, giving some direction to the ball. Akash is changing the direction of the ball. Okay, and Riya is actually stopping the movement of the ball. So this is basically the factors which affects force. Yes, it can move an object. Here you can see it can slow down or stop a moving object. It can change the shape of the object and it can change the direction of a moving object. So, children, with this topic, we have ended up chapter number 10, light, sound and force. I hope you all have understood this topic. Thank you.